3, 2, 1.
Martin grew some bean plants. He made a list of what the bean plants needed to survive and grow. Which gas do the plants need when they make their own food? The answer is D, carbon dioxide. What college did actor Morris Chestnut attend? The answer is A, CA State University. The Yangtze River is in which country? The answer is B, China. Which school supply helps you draw shapes and lines? The answer is D, protractor. Which star appears to be closest to the North Star Polaris? The answer is D, Alpha Centauri A. The hypothalamus and pituitary gland are located near the base of this organ. The answer is C, the brain. What is the state of matter of solid carbon dioxide? The answer is D, solid. What type of organism causes many common diseases such as strep throat and food-borne illnesses?
The answer is A, bacteria.
Who set the record for fastest time to solve a Rubik's Cube? The answer is B, Felix Sendigs. Subducting plate and epicenter are terms related to what phenomenon? The answer is D, earthquake. Who gave the Marauder's map to Harry in Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban? The answer is C, Fred and George. Which organelle is often compared to a post office, moving proteins and lipids to where they need to go? The answer is A, the Golgi apparatus. What is the name of the band in which the character David Brent from the sitcom The Office performed? The answer is A, Foregone Conclusion. What is the famous painting by Raphael known as? The answer is A, The School of Athens. Which TV show aired its first episode on September 8, 1951? The answer is D, Dragnet. Which hill is called the Mecca of ski jumping? The answer is C, Holmenkollen in Oslo, Norway. What currency is used in South Korea? The answer is B, South Korean won. In the movie Fatso, Dominic's sister sends him out to go get dinner. Upon returning home, he decides to binge eat and devours the whole order. What food did he eat in the car on the way home? The answer is A, Chinese food. What type of matter does a solid have? The answer is C, solid. Which country's name means rich harbor? The answer is C. Puerto Rico. Branching food chains and complex trophic interactions form what? The answer is B. Food webs. Which internet protocol handles web pages, emails, and more? The answer is A. TCP/IP. What does a colander filter out? The answer is C. Pasta. When the pH of precipitation is lowered because of air pollution, what results? The answer is A. Acid rain. Who played Sherlock Holmes in the BBC series Sherlock? The answer is A. Benedict Cumberbatch. What is the common name for Prudhoe Bay? The answer is D. The North Slope. Who is the Greek goddess of wisdom and crafts? The answer is A. Athena. What is the deepest river canyon in the world? The answer is A. Grand Canyon. What neighborhood tavern do Drew and his friends Kate, Oswald, and Lewis frequent on The Drew Carey Show? The answer is C. The Warsaw. What is the term used to describe an economy with high levels of government control over private enterprise and a centrally planned economy? The answer is A. Communism. Through which material would sound travel the fastest? The answer is D. Steel. Which of Tom's children was the first to have a baby on the show 8 is Enough? The answer is D. Susan. Most amphibians breathe with these as larvae. The answer is C. Gills. What team beat Spain 2-0 in the final of the 1984 UEFA European Football Championship, which was held in France? The answer is A. France. What type of muscle makes up most of the heart? The answer is A. Cardiac muscle. What U.S. rock band has a song called I Shot William H. Macy? The answer is D. Head Automatica. What determines the unique sequence for every protein? The answer is B. Gene encoding. What phobia is defined as fear of thunder? The answer is C. Serenophobia. What is the more common name for the superfood Vaccinium oxycoccos? The answer is C. Cranberry. What helps in measuring angles? The answer is C, protractor. What celebrated film director worked on the 1977 romantic comedy movie Annie Hall? The answer is A, Woody Allen. What is the largest rodent? The answer is C, capybara. In which year will it be 2050 AD? The answer is C, 2050. Larry's mother, who appears only in the final episode of the series Curb Your Enthusiasm, is portrayed by which veteran sitcom actress? The answer is C, Bede Arthur. In his rookie season, Dan Marino was the starting quarterback for which team? The answer is C, Dolphins. What is the name of Duncan's eldest son in Macbeth? The answer is A, Malcolm. Who fixed the date of the Christian festival Easter? The answer is D, the Council of Nicaea. The Yellow Sea is connected to what ocean? The answer is D, Pacific. What is the first name of Ruth Handler's daughter? The answer is D, Barbara. What is a small, handheld object with many holes used for in school?